Good morning, students. I Nandlal, lecturer in English, Suraj School, Mahendragarh. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the advertisement, which is the topic of class 11th as well as 12th, in the writing skill. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the definition of advertisement, need of advertisement, language of advertisement, and some other things that is relevance to the advertisement. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the appropriate format of advertisement. What is the appropriate format of advertisement as per the rules of the CBSE? Now just see format of advertisement. You also make a box, you also draw lines, and from out of the box you also write down a word advertisement. Then you also give the title of any advertisement. For example, situation vacant. Situation vacant. The title can be written in capital letters and maybe small letters. But first letter will be written in capital and the rest of them will be written in small letters. In the same way, that may be situation vacant, maybe situation wanted, situation wanted, maybe to let, maybe for rent, maybe matrimonials. In this way, that you also can write in capital letters and maybe this format. First, you also untitle of the advertisement, and after that, you just start advertisement. After that, you just title, give the title of the advertisement. After that, you give a space of a line, and then you will start from here. And after that, in a 3 to 4 sentence and maybe 5 to 6 sentence, you also just give the content. And content of the advertisement, content of the advertisement may be 40 to 50 words. 40 to 50 words. Don't exceed to 50 words. After that, at the ending, you also give name, address, and contact number of the concerned person. If there is only name, that you only just mention the name of the person, the interested person may contact to. Interested person may contact to. And then that's why you also give the name, if given, after that address, and after that contact number. Some of the advertisement also required the column of the newspapers, box number, post box number, like that. Matrimonials advertisement never required any type of the name individually, any address, and any contact number. In the matrimonial advertisement, you just share post box number, maybe 9432, any newspaper, like that the Indian Express and any other. In this way, that you also write down the advertisement. Again, I am giving the detail about this format. You just make the box in this way. In this way, just you also write down the advertisement, this word, after that title. Again, there will be no mention of any name and any date, any place. There is no required anything. And after that, giving the title, after there is the space of a line, and you also start your content. And one thing more, language will be simple, formal and factual. No need of any type of the design, any type of the picture in any advertisement, because these are the classified advertisement. Anything never required like the picture, like the diagram. You also just write simple, formal and factual language. You just see many more things. Now, for example, you are Pawan Kumar or Priya, managing director of DK Industries, Gurugram. You require an accountant for the head office. Draft a stable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the column of the Indian Express. Students, this is outline for an advertisement in this way that you can see in the exams. And first you just see who is the person that going to write an advertisement. For the boy student, Pawan Kumar, and for the girl student, Priya. And who are you? You are the managing director of DK Industries Gurugram. You are the managing director, and you require an accountant, chartered accountant, maybe for the head office. You just draft a stable advertisement in not more than 50 words, and you just give what type of the qualification you required and how much salary will be given, what essential educational qualification, experience, and all these things you just mention in this advertisement. First, I will give a actual format for this. After that, we write an advertisement on this way. You also mention in the columns of the newspapers the advertisement you are going to publish, that will be published in the column of the various newspapers. First, you also draw a line in the left, then right, upper and down. Upper side you also write down advertisement. Advertisement. The title of this advertisement you required. It means you are going to offer a job. Just you give the title situation vacant. Situation vacant. One thing more. If you want any job in any company, any school, any firm, and in any other area, in the same condition, you write down situation wanted. And if any company, any school, any bank, and any other firm going to offer a job for the candidates, that there will be the title of situation vacant. After that, you give space and then start DK Industry Gurugram. DK Industries Gurugram require an accountant for the head office, for the head office. The candidate should have good academic qualification. The selected candidate will be given a salary per month and all accommodation. Interested person may contact to, नाम दिया था ऊपर, नाम था पवन कुमार, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, गुरुग्राम. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर 9412/122416. You just mention in this way. 2 digit will be written in cross. Not a complete digit will be written in the figure. Cross must be entered in this it. In this way, that you also just start. The title may be other, maybe need an accountant. That you also just mention. DK Industry Gurugram require an accountant for the head office. The candidate should have good academic qualification, and the selected candidate will be given a salary of 40,000 per month and all accommodation. Accommodations means expenses. Interested person may contact to Pawan Kumar, Managing Director, Gurugram, and contact number. In this way, Dear students, you can write advertisement for situation vacant. Thanks and have a nice day.